Hi, I wanted to show you our newest addition to the SneezeGuard family. We've got a mobile version now. So you have wheels, you can roll it around, and it's great for beachers that want to have a certain amount of protection without having to wear either face shields or masks or stuff like that. So we designed one that was really flexible and easy to use. It's exceedingly light, so when you move it around, it weighs about 20 pounds or so. We designed it to be very flexible. Some people were saying, yeah, but it looks flimsy. It's not flimsy, it's flexible. You can fold it, you can roll it around, and if you hit it, you're not going to hurt yourself. It bends. The other reason why we made it so flexible is that at the end of the school year, when you need to pack these up, you can basically just put them one inside of the other, and you're just going to have 1 inch thick for SneezeGuard. So if you have 30 of them, it's going to take no more than 30 inches of footprint. The glass itself is also exceedingly strong. You're not going to break these. They're not fragile by any sense of the imagination. When you're ready to order these, just make sure you use the right code. So it would be SG for SneezeGuard, and then you put the size that you need. So in this case, this one here would be SG48, which is the length of the glass part, by 42, which is the width. And in the end, you need to add the option M for mobile. That means it will have wheels. What's nice about this mobile version as well is if you stick a piece of paper on the back, you can use it as a whiteboard.